weigh me down.
What up, great people? It's your favorite rope guy here, Lauren from LOfitnez, and today I'll be showing you how to do the reverse running man shuffle dance with a jump rope. If you're new to this channel and you want to learn how to jump rope, be motivated by your workout to be fit, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification. I've already given the forward running man footwork with a jump rope on this channel, so you can go check that out. I'll link it up in the description for you to check out, and it will help you better understand this move before you do the reverse. So this move is mainly the footwork, and from most of the time in this video you'll be seeing my foot and my legs as I carry out the action. So the first thing you need to learn to do this footwork very well is to learn the rhythm, that is hitting or bouncing 2 times on each leg and switching position. So it will be something like this: 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. I'll urge you to also learn bouncing on one leg to trust your legs to carry your body weight, so that as you do this move you believe that yes, your legs can carry your body weight and you'll fall into any accident. So once you can do that perfectly, you learn the rhythm, you can do that perfectly, then we'll start the footwork gradually. So it will be something like this: 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So you practice this. If you want to make it look more like a dance, like the jerk dance or the reverse running man, you have to jerk kind of forward when you're doing the footwork. So if you start like so, 1 2, so it will be 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So let me start it gradually again for you to understand. So from this position, you shift this left leg forward, this one goes up, then once this one is going down, it jerks forward. Same thing to the right, you do the same thing again to the left, and you keep rotating that way like so. So it's that simple, guys. So once you're very good with that, after practicing several times, then you can incorporate your jump rope. And to incorporate your jump rope, I'd like you to start from the basics, which is bouncing 2 times on each leg and switching to understand the rhythm of this move. So from the basics, right, if you focus on my leg right now, you see that I'll be bouncing 2 times on each leg. So let's go with the jump rope from boxer's keep, and now go in 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. You see? Can you see very well? So I'll urge you to learn this pretty well. Once you're comfortable with that, then you start incorporating the reverse running man. So let's try to incorporate the reverse running man and see how it goes. I'll be giving you a side or oblique view right now, and it will be something like this. Let me show you from this direction instead. And it will be, yeah. So to make it look more like a dance, you have to apply the sweat of your upper body. And I'll be showing you a full body version of this step, and you'll better understand it. So this brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I urge you to practice as much as possible so you can learn this move and perform it like a professional. If you have any issues, let us know in the comment section. Share with your friend who is still learning more jump rope tricks. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and turn on that notification button so you don't miss out on our lovely content, guys. Until next time, remain beautiful, handsome, be fit, and most importantly, stay healthy. Take care of yourself, guys. Peace.
Weigh me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down.